Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCL's Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Zilliqa in depth. We are going to see if yes or no to this project. Is it a good opportunity to buy right now? Do you want to enter into this project or not? We are going to do some technical analysis. I'm going to tell you the strengths and weakness of the project, what I think about it, my own comments, what I think about the ecosystem of Zilliqa, a couple of news from this month and July also. We are going to see all about the community and the latest news on the Twitter account, and we are going to deep dive into Zilliqa. So after this video you will know exactly if worth it or not to enter into this project and exactly at what price and levels. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, before going into the information and news, let's do a quick technical analysis review. So after seeing my video, you will know if you are interested or not in Zilliqa and if it's worth it or not. So of course, this is just an initial review. You need to do your own research. But in terms of price action, I had before during 2021, this green rectangle here, this was my support zone. I was buying Zilliqa at those levels. Anytime that we enter into this rectangle, I was buying. And I did it well because I bought here and sell it around here. Then we enter again a couple of times, and you can see all the times that we pump it from this rectangle to the upside during all that year. We have some big news on Zilliqa Ecosystem here in April 2022. That is why this spiked super hard. But basically we have been in resistance since January 2022. Resistance here, here, and more recently here in June and now in August. So now this is acting as resistance. That is why we changed this to red. So now this rectangle is resistance, so it's not again our price target or our price level to buy. Where is our next level now? Well, you can see here, I put these arrows here. This was resistance here. After we broke it in 2020, when we started this bull run, you can see it was support first. And recently, when Bitcoin hit $70,000, we hit support in June here at this level, which is the 3 cents level exactly. So this is a major support right now because all this support and resistance in previous year, actually since 2020. And we have a local support here at 3 cents and 7, like you can see here from January, March, and the last month also was support. So between 3 cents and 7 and 3 cents, I think it's a great opportunity to start dollar cost averaging on Zilliqa if you are interested. What will happen if we break this? Well, in order to break this, Bitcoin needs to go to $17,000 again or lower. That means that some YouTubers' prediction that I don't share, that Bitcoin can go to $10,000, could be happening. If that happens, then your levels to buy, it will be between 3 cents and these 2 cents and 1, because we have resistance here, resistance here. So this is the next level to watch if we break this 3 cents area. But below 4 cents for me is already a good idea to start dollar cost averaging if you're interested. From 3 cents 7 to 3 cents, great opportunity here. We already have some opportunities before. Not many. You can see some weeks go down here, but not many. So if Bitcoin already bottom, then probably this will be your last chances to get these prices. But if not, you are going to dollar cost averaging below 3 cents. That is the TA for these guys. This is what you need to know in order of price action. Anything else is just information that you don't need. And this is not related to economical world issues that we have right now. This is just a chart for the Zilliqa price action. So Zilliqa is at position 81, so it's in the top 100. That is why you cannot take this project lightly. It's in a position 81 of all the crypto assets in the world, and the project is actually really good. If you go to the website zilliqa.com/ecosystem, you will see that this was updated in January 2022. And at that time, we have 194 projects already here. You can filter for the different niche of type of project that you want. but you can have here the list of all those projects at that time frame. So the ecosystem, almost 200 projects, is not a small ecosystem. Zilliqa is a layer 1 solution like Cardano, Ethereum, with a different protocol and strengths and weakness, but it's a layer 1 solution. Layer 1 solutions have been pumping always in all bull runs, so that is why I think layer 1 solutions are still a great opportunity to enter, and more if they are doing it good during the bear market. This is also not a new project, has already 5 years here. It has been at least in 2 bear markets already and continue getting funds to more developments. Going into some news, this is from yesterday. Zilliqa unveils its blockchain-based first-person shooter game, FPS game. So the game is typed to stand out from other blockchain-based games in terms of intuitive design and gameplay. Web3 War will be designed with beginners in mind, making it possible for anyone to play and enjoy the game. The Zilliqa game developers opted for a skill-to-earn approach instead of the conventional play-to-earn gaming model. This serves as the foundation for a more sustainable business model that allows players to win rewards in the form of customized items and tokens secured by the Zilliqa blockchain, depending on their level of skill. The better they play, the more valuable the reward. So this is not playing to earn, this is a little different, like you can see here. This is a skill to earn, so basically that will trigger more adoption into the game. So if you play better, you will earn more. I think that is super interesting approach. We also had some bad news in Zilliqa. This happened at the beginning of August. The team restarted the network after incident, and you can hear this from Solana already in the couple of last months. Solana was restarted 3 times, and that talks about the centralization of the network. The same happened with Zilliqa in that aspect, similar to Solana, and that is also something that I don't like at all. I don't want centralization, I want decentralization. So even if you have a lot of TPS on your blockchain and you have a lot of scalability, we need decentralization on these projects. So this is a weak point for me on this blockchain. Another partnership, Zilliqa partners with the popular play-to-earn game Alien Wars to drive adoption, and the deal will see Alien Wars seek integration with the Zilliqa blockchain through its Unity software development kit that bridge the gap between game developers and the Web3 technology. So this is something that launched in May to accelerate the adoption of the Zilliqa blockchains by allowing games deployed on another networks to migrate to the protocol easily. And that is super great, guys. Another projects, gaming projects, can move into Zilliqa with that SDK. And another Boost partnership was on July at the end. The Zilliqa and Wave partner to boost the adoption of Web3, and Zilliqa has integrated with Wave, a multi-chain NFT platform. Zilliqa is very big and has a lot of ecosystem building in gaming and NFTs. So you can see here this partner also to get more traction on the NFT ecosystem. Zilliqa is not a small community, almost 500,000 followers on the Zilliqa Twitter. And I have to say that they are very up to date with all the social media. You can see last tweet was 7 hours ago. And all our news and partnerships about the progress on the ecosystem. I really like the Twitter here. Some Twitters only retweet stuff that doesn't make much sense. But all the things here in the Twitter are super interesting if you are following the project. And also running in Zilliqa, we have creators launching NFT collections on Zilliqa. We have this important news that Civit's ecosystem continue growing, and they are striving to announce the Civit neobank that is coming. And what is that? Basically, this is the first Zilliqa bank card, is going to be live soon. So this is a very big step for Zilliqa project also. And the team is always going to different conferences and traveling to the important meetings. And in this case, we have the meeting headed to the Gamescom, where the gaming revolution takes place. So you can find it there at Zilliqa team there. So that was amazing. And Zilliqa, if you didn't know, is one of the owners of their own metaverse that they launched in 2022 already. They also have the central exchanges. If we go to my review, Zilliqa, yes or no, you can see here it's a layer 1 solution. The current price is 3 cents and 7, so we are below the 4 cents price, and the all-time high was 25 cents. So we are right now almost 7x to reach the all-time high. So that is why I put the yellow. If you are following me my channel and see my videos about how to invest in this bear market, you will know that at least I want a 10x from the all-time high. So that is why at this exact moment I am not entering positions here. But that doesn't mean that the price is not cheap. I really think it's a good strategy to start dollar cost averaging, but because my specific strategy that I share in many of my videos, I only buy altcoins below 10x from the all-time high. So the ecosystem, like I mentioned in the video, 194 projects already live. That is a lot, guys, more than many of the powerful blockchains around there. So this is not to consider lightly. There's no TVL on DeFi Llama, but in the website they say they have 204 million in the website. This is a little rare, not much TVL for the project. The blockchain was reset in August 1 of 2022, like we saw in the news. That is a very red flag for me. I don't like that at all. It's similar to Solana, and that is why I didn't keep investing in Solana. I don't like that much centralization that they have. Another good news is that they are a Singapore company and they have already 5 years in the crypto space. So they have been here to bear markets. I don't think this company is going anywhere. They are already working and continue expanding, and they survive already 2 bear markets. So I don't see why they can't survive this one. They are heavy in gaming and NFT. They have their own metaverse. They have a decentralized exchanges in the ecosystem. They will have soon the bank card, and they have big community on social media and that. So they have a big ecosystem, guys. The ecosystem is really, really unique for Zilliqa. So asking the question Zilliqa yes or no, I will say yes. I think Zilliqa has a great future. Even you don't see too much news or YouTubers talking about Zilliqa, that doesn't mean that they are not building, which is exactly the opposite. They continue, if you see the Twitter, they continue expanding, partnerships, moving from one place to another, integrating stuff into the ecosystem. They are very big in gaming and NFTs, and that, guys, will continue pumping in the next bull run. So for answering, I will say yes. Zilliqa, yes. The levels, I already mentioned it at the beginning of the video, why I recommend start dollar cost averaging and what levels. Guys, that is all for this video. Put your comments below. Do you hold Zilliqa? Are you familiar with this project? What another information I missed in this review that I will put in a pinned comment if you write me down below. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.